Hey guys, welcome to Codemas Day 6. Today's video was inspired by a post I saw on Facebook asking how to choose a random image from an array when you click a button. So you click a button, a random image is chosen and shown on the HTML document. Very simple, pretty straightforward, and since there are people asking how to do it, let's help them. What I have done so far is that I created a basic HTML document along with an empty script file, and also I downloaded 4 images, Christmas images from pexels.com. So let's create an image here and leave it empty for now and go to script.js. In here we have to first create the array with the paths of the images, so const images equals to an array that will have images 1 JPG, oops, come on, and then the rest of them 2, 3 and 4, and then we need to create a function that will generate a random number from 0 to 3 for each element of the array and get the string from the element and put it in the src attribute of the image. So const get random image equals to a function that inside will have const random number equals to math.floor math.random times 4, because we want to start at 0 and stop at 3, and then const random image equals to, src better, equals to images random num, and then document query selector query selector img set attribute src and then random image src. So what we do here is that we query the document for the image element, and then set a new attribute to it, the src attribute, to the string that we got from the array previously. Query selector is very interesting because we can query for HTML tags or for IDs or even classes. And then we have query selector all, which returns a list of all the matching elements. And yeah, obviously set attribute takes 2 parameters. The first one is the name of the attribute we want to set, and the second parameter is the value of the attribute. So if we open the HTML file on Chrome, we will see nothing, because if we go back here, the src of the image is empty. The first thing we want to do is to run the function. So if we refresh, nothing will happen. Let's see why. Image is not defined on line 10. Of course it's not defined. Refresh and we can see the image here. So let's give it a smaller height first. Height equals to, let's say, 500, and every time we refresh we see another random image. What I want to do next is to add a button here that when clicked it will call this function to change the image. So let's see, const button equals to document query selector button, and then button add event listener click, and then get random image. Let's go back to Chrome and see if it works. Click, click, click. Of course we can also get rid of the button and make it change the image when we click on the image. Like this, I will show you. When I click on the image, it changes. And that's it, as I said, pretty straightforward. I know this video may have not been interesting to you, but there were people asking for it and wanting to know how to do it, so I thought I would help them by providing an answer. Have a nice Sunday, get well rest. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you tomorrow.